Hi, I'm James from Risk Assessor, and today we're going to show you how to manage your users and control access and build groups and so on. So let's get stuck in. So first things first, if we go up here into the top right hand side and click your icon, you'll see users and groups. If we click on users and groups, we'll now see a list of all of our users. I can also see that I've got a spare seat. I've got 2 users out of the 3 that I have available. So I've got a spare seat if I want to add a new user. If I did want to add a new user, I would add their name in here. And then I would add their email address. Once I do that, that person will get an invitation into the account. And we'll see this awaiting icon. When they accept that, we'll see the accepted icon. Once they have accepted, we'll see more options over here. So we can set them as an admin. We can set them as an incident response manager. We can delete the account. We can deactivate the account. We can change their name. We can also build groups over here. Now we build groups to make assigning access to folders easier, particularly when you have a lot of users. You might want to build, say, a group for managers. And then in there, you would assign all your managers. And then on your folder system, when we do the access in the moment, it's much easier because you would say, right, I want the managers to have access to this folder and this folder, but I want the employees group to only have access to this folder, for example. And that'll make more sense in a moment. So once we've built our users, we've built our groups. If we do want to build groups, some people don't, they just assign users individually, and that's fine. Once we're happy with all of our users, we can go over to our folder system and we can assign access now. So the folder system is the same in every module of the system. You'll hover over it and you'll see these icons. This icon here is access rights. If I click on this now, I'll see the users that I have that are not admin, and then I can give them full access, template access, or read-only access. So full access means they can create documents, edit documents, review documents, and so on. Template access means they can only create new documents and add them into the folder. And read-only means they can only read what's in that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and give Sherry full access. But if I want to do that as a group, if I click on groups, I'll see managers. Now I know Sherry's in that group as manager, so I'm going to give managers full access. And then click update access, and that's done. And that's how you manage your access control within the system. You go into any folder, click access, select the user, select the type of access, and click update access. I hope that helps. All the best.